Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we will take you through the memory lane with the BSA SLR, which is a 2001 model. And this cycle I found one fine day last week, where I saw a gentleman who was purchasing a newspaper, and I saw that all the three stripes which were belonging to BSA. I ran towards him and then asked him, can you show us your cycle? So he was gracious enough to show us the cycle, and even I asked him to be a part of our video as well. So with his graciousness, he accepted our offer, and today we'll make you meet Mr. Stanley, and we'll know something about the cycle and Mr. Stanley as well. So let's see how it goes on. Let's meet Mr. Stanley. Hi Stanley sir, thank you so much for being a part of our video. So we'll be asking you some very simple questions. First of all, can you introduce yourself, what you are doing and what you have been doing in these years?
I've been part of railway. I worked for railways for about 39 years.
Great.
And I was privileged enough to be part of designing or making a locomotive for Kalka Shimla with dual cab for Pathankot and for Gwalior.
So when we come to the cycle, what made you select this cycle, and when did you purchase this cycle?
I'm such a guy that who doesn't instantly buy any products.
Okay.
I look for the brand and then I
Research
roam
about
around searching for the quality and keep on inquiring the pros and cons of any product as
Okay.
such. So, and added to that, my Hindi teacher, he used to have this particular cycle daily used to come by BSA SLR.
Okay.
So that was an additional to this my choice.
Okay.
That's how I went and purchased this cycle.
So did you bought this cycle in your school days or college days? How was it?
No, I didn't have a cycle. It
Okay.
was here when I came to Airoli. I was in Santa Cruz.
Mhm.
Then I shifted to Airoli. Here in Airoli because you have to go a long distance.
Correct.
So that's the reason I purchased the cycle.
Oh, that's great. That's great. And what was the selection criteria, sir? So what did you like about the cycle, basically? And which year, probably I should ask you, which year you bought the cycle?
This I bought it in the year 2001 in the month of November.
Oh,
For
so
a
it's
cost
been
of,
20 years now.
Almost, yeah, just 6 months left out. Otherwise, it would complete 20 years.
Okay.
At a cost of 1,950.
That's great. And you sent this gentleman sent me a bill as well. So it is as fresh after 20 years. So I could see the freshness of the bill as well. And sir, any salient features of the cycle which you liked and bought it for?
The salient feature is first of all it's a sporty cycle.
Okay.
The second thing is it's very light, and the Tube India makes the frame very durable ones.
Yes, it belongs to the TI Cycles of India. Right?
Yes. So this and then that was the advantage. I said then to keep it downstairs. I was not keeping it, and I used to carry the cycle to the fourth floor
Okay.
through the staircase, and I would keep it in the house for about 4 years. That is how I loved it, and it is light cycle,
Yeah.
robust as well if you consider the working of it.
So you are a stickler for the maintenance part, right? Because you
Exactly,
keep your cycles and other
Yes.
things as well maintained.
Well
right?
maintained,
If I
exactly.
may know you,
Yes.
because after talking to you, I'm getting a feeling that you are a stickler to the maintenance part. That you go and do the maintenance fantastically, and you keep the service schedule as is.
Yes, even I have a motorcycle which I bought it in the year 2003.
Okay.
But I prefer the cycle more than the motorcycle, and I have Activa also. Still, I prefer
This
the
cycle.
cycle
Okay.
because physically you are active enough, and locally you can move around freely.
Okay.
that is the advantage.
Okay, great. And sir, in these 20 years, we talked about the salient features of the cycle, and in these 20 years, what are those points which you didn't like about the cycle, and tell us about the maintenance as well.
Maintenance wise, I don't see anything like if you give it for servicing every year. There is no maintenance as
That's it.
such. Only the tube and the tire, they are to be replaced.
Okay.
Other than that, there is no maintenance as such.
Okay. And anything you disliked about the cycle,
Nothing
which you want in a newer version to get
newer
improved?
version. Now I've become old.
You are a
Past
young guy.
Past 60 years. My knee is giving a problem because I was an athlete in
Is it?
middle distance.
Oh.
So my knee has given away.
Okay.
So now it restricts me to go for a long drive on a cycle.
Mm-hmm.
And if I would have a geared cycle, then I would go on a lower speed,
Okay.
with lesser effort. That is the only thing. But it doesn't look good for SLR.
Okay. Great. And that's great and fantastic to know about that. And might be the services bill would have been a very lesser one, I guess. 300, 500 rupees
Yes,
to the max.
hardly. Now it was costing 400. last
Okay.
time.
And any repairing onto the bottom brackets and all, because those
Nothing,
were a
nothing.
problematic parts of some SLRs, not the BSA SLR, but those
Nothing,
were
nothing. Till
Okay.
now, nothing I've faced.
That's
any
great.
problem. Even the stand is
the original one. Oh, that's great. And I would request you to show us the cycle. Can you come? So guys, this is the BSA SLR of Mr. Stanley, and he will be showing us what he wishes and what's the salient features of the cycle. I think, sir, let us start from the design. So, design part you liked about it?
As I said, it is very light, and maybe the frame and the painting and all, it's very durable.
Okay.
Other cycles they give away.
Okay. So, all in all, the quality is fantastic on that front, right? So, if we come to the frame, so then the frame altogether remains the same as is used to come in the 80s as well.
Right.
So, but there are few changes. Likewise, if I may know, because the earlier cycle which used to come in the 80s, so this cycle you can see there is a bird type handle. So this is continued from the earlier model, right? And if I may know, this one, the ornament onto the top of the the mudguard. So it is gone around black in color. But in the earlier cycle, it was
black.
It is black, right?
It is black.
So it is
From the beginning, it is black.
Okay, so from beginning it is black, but in the original cycle which used to come before 2001, so it was a chrome bit here, and it was a something like a round here. And one thing which they have changed in this is the frame lock. They have discontinued the frame lock, right? Yeah, there was a frame lock here in the earlier cycle, which was a unique feature of the bicycle that day. And you see the thin barrel hubs are there, and the rear thin barrel hubs are also there.
Exactly.
See this one, and you may see the original stand. So Stanley sir already stated that the stand is 20 years old. It came with the cycle.
Carrier also, the
Okay.
original one.
That's
You
great.
can see BSA SLR written on it.
Yeah. And if you come to this side, I may show this is the updated chain guard. So in the earlier cycle, from the 80s, this was a full cover here. Yeah, rounded and full. So these are the original pedals, sir, or
Yes,
you've changed it?
they are original. With
Fantastic.
the reflector, everything, they are original.
Fantastic.
Only the lock has been changed.
Okay.
The tire and the tube has been changed.
Okay.
And the spokes of the rear wheel has been changed. It
Okay.
is stainless steel now.
Okay, so those are normal maintenance parts.
Yes, yes.
And if you see here and come here, you can see the BSA levers as well. So these are the very original BSA levers. This is the one, and you can see it here as well. And in this you have the caliper brakes. So these brakes are also something different from the newer cycle which I have. So we'll make a comparo as well for the cycle. And if you see the quarter pin and the bottom bracket, which is a cup cone one. So that's great, and that's about the cycle as well, right? And it has the original steel rims, and till now Stanley sir,
everything is same.
yeah, Stanley sir has not changed anything. That's phenomenal, because 20 years. And
This I did because
Okay.
when my child was there, I has to take her double seat. So
Okay.
that is a footrest.
oh, is it
For
a,
the child,
is it also it's an add-on accessory? Okay, and you can see the BSA Birmingham Small Arms logo here as well on the handlebar. Fantastic to see such things after 20 years. So Stanley sir, we are thankful
I'm
to
also
you.
grateful that you added my this cycle and all this stuff.
Yeah, definitely, because we are sticklers for the original and vintage kind of cycles. Because
My wife calls it as an antique piece.
yeah, definitely, and I would suggest you to keep it like this only, because this would someday become a legend. BSA is a legend in all, but this would someday become a legend. Thank you so much, Stanley sir, for being a part of this video, and we wish you great luck, and thank you so much.
Thanks.